In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade cryptocurrency using Binance platform. And today I'm going to show you how to do spot trading specifically using Binance platform. If you are new to cryptocurrency, you should have a Binance account because Binance is the #1 exchange platform in the world to trade cryptocurrency. Exchange platform, just like Binance, is basically a broker or basically a platform which allows us to trade cryptocurrency, buy and sell cryptocurrency, because it is the most convenient way to buy crypto using the exchange. And when it's come to Binance, since this is the #1 platform on the world, so we can trust this platform, and I have a link in the description. If you use that link to create a Binance account, you can get up to $500 of bonuses from this Binance platform. And most importantly, after creating the account using that link, you will get 20% off from your trading fee. Okay, in this video, I'm going to basically show you how to do spot trading on Binance platform. And this will be a step-by-step guide. So even if you are new to crypto trading, this video is more than enough to start trading cryptos. Okay, when you click that link on the description, you just need your email address and a password. And of course, you need to do KYC verification. For that, you can use your passport or your ID. After creating your account, come to this trade icon and click on this spot trading. When you trade cryptocurrency, you can do spot trading or future trading. Future trading is more riskier because you do some leverage, but spot trading is very easy and the risk is minimum. So if you are new to cryptocurrency, the better way is to start spot trading, and after a few months, when you understand this crypto field, you can do future trading. So when you come to spot trading platform, this is the interface of a spot trading platform on Binance. I will briefly explain what you can see here. Here you can see the coin pair. I have selected Bitcoin for USDT. That means I can buy BTC or Bitcoin using USDT, or I can sell Bitcoin for USDT. You can change the currency pair in the search bar. You can type, if you want to trade Ethereum, you can type Ethereum and you can select Ethereum by USDT. And here you can see all the pairs relevant to Ethereum, and you can select anyone, but basically we are going to trade Ethereum for USDT or Ethereum for BUSD. BUSD means Binance USD, Binance own version of US dollars, right? Okay, here now you can see the coin pair, and here you can see the current price, current trading price. And here you can see 24-hour change of this currency pair. It is 24-hour change is around $10. That means 0.6%. Then you can see 24-hour highest amount for this Ethereum, and you can see 24-hour lowest amount. And here you can see a 24-hour volume of Ethereum which has been traded for last 24 hours, and the amount of USDT traded in last 24 hours. And most important thing is you should select this trading view icon after logging into Binance spot trading platform. Here you can see all the sell orders, and here you can see all the buy orders. And this is the chart. This is provided by TradingView. You can do technical analysis using this chart. If you want, you can make it full screen when you trade or when you do technical analysis. And when you come down, make sure you check this spot icon, not this cross one, no isolated one. Just select spot icon. Then here you can see limit, market, stop limit. I will explain all those things in this video. And you can see here available balance, and you can see in my spot trading account on this Binance platform, I have around 4,500 US dollars, right? And you can buy cryptocurrency using this tab, and you can click buy Ethereum. You can sell cryptocurrency or Ethereum in this case using this tab. And here you can see open orders. You can see I have several open orders for Ethereum, and you can select this one order history to see your order histories, right? Then you can see trade histories for any time frame, 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months, right? Okay, now imagine you want to buy cryptocurrency. In this case, you want to buy Ethereum. Now Ethereum price is 1,677. If you want to buy Ethereum at this very moment, you can select this market tab. That means if you place a buy order here, at this very moment that buy order will be filled for the relevant market price. If you want to buy Ethereum for $4,000 Ethereum, you can click on this buy icon, right? But as crypto traders, we should wait for best moment to buy cryptocurrency. That means when you analyze cryptocurrency, you can see here there is good support area, right? There is good support area. So we can wait until this price come all the way down to this support area. That means around, for example, let's see $1,600, right? In later part of this video, I will show you some simple technical analysis which you can use to place these orders and which you can use to identify support and resistance lines. Okay, now you are going to buy Ethereum for $1,600. For that, you can place a limit order here. Here is spot tab, and then here click on this spot tab and click on this limit tab. Then you place your desired or the price you want to buy Ethereum. It is 1,600, and you can select the amount. Let's see, $4,000. Then click on buy. When you put limit orders like this, your order is not going to fill until this price come all the way down to $1,600. And whenever this price come all the way down to $1,600, your order will be filled, and until that you can see your orders here, and you can see I have put 3 limit orders. When your order is filled, you can see that on this trade history, and you can see I have done a lot of trading on this Ethereum USDT pair. And if you want to sell cryptocurrency, you can use this sell tab. For that also you can use market price, or you can place a limit order. If you select market price, and if you want to select all of your Ethereum, the Ethereum will be sold for the immediate market price. And if you want to sell Ethereum for a higher price, for example, if you think Ethereum will hit $1,700 tomorrow, you can place a limit order, and you can select your desired price 1,700. You can select the Ethereum amount using this slider, or just you can place your Ethereum amount. Then click on this sell icon. Then your order will be placed, and whenever the Ethereum price go up to $1,700, and your order will be filled. Okay, like that you can buy cryptocurrencies and you can sell cryptocurrencies using Binance spot trading. So now I'm going to show you how to do a simple technical analysis using this chart, right? Here you can select this arrow to see the full screen, and I will clear my charts like this, remove drawings, right? Okay, now I am on Ethereum USDT 1 hour chart. You can change your time frame like this. If you want to see the daily movements, you can select this 1 day chart, and you can zoom out using this right side bar and click it and drag it like this, and you can zoom out like this, and you can use your mouse or the cursor as well to do the zoom in, and you can do the movement like this, right, on this chart. Whenever you do technical analysis, you should start from higher time frame. Normally I want to start technical analysis using 1 day time frame. When you come to 1 day chart, you can see there's a good bounce from here, and you can see the price is now on a resistance area. There is a lot of buy and sell happening here. The price was rejected at this point, here also, and here also, and price got a support at this area also. And you can see this area is very important because prices tend to reject from this area like this. So now at this level, price is also testing this resistance area, and there's a high chance that price could come all the way down to here, and here is a support area. You can see this is a support area, and now you can come down to a shorter time frame like 4 hour or 1 hour chart. I will select 1 hour chart, then you can again zoom in. Now in 1 hour chart also you can find some support and resistance areas. You can simply draw support and resistance line like this, right? You can select this trend line, and you can draw this is a resistance line, and you can draw a support line like this. But the thing is, price never respect this one line. It is a area, support area and resistance area. So you can draw a support and resistance area like this. click on this arrow and select this rectangle, and you can select an area using this rectangle like this. This is a resistant area, right? And you can draw a support area here. This is a support area, right? And always you can draw other support areas, other local support areas like this. Here also there is a good price action and good support and resistance area. Okay, now as a trader, you can wait until the price come all the way down to support area to buy cryptocurrency. For example, here you can see price came all the way down to this resistance area and rejected, and came all the way down to the support area and bounce back. And at this moment, you had the chance to buy Ethereum because there was a high chance there could be a bounce from this area to this one. And you can sell the Ethereum at this level and you can take a profit. Here also you can see price came all the way down to the support area and price bounced from the support area to meet next resistance area. Then again price rejected at that level, came all the way here to the support area and bounce back and rejected again, find the support from the support area and bounce here. Market always try to move like this, but we should use other indicators and some other technical analysis before trading cryptocurrency. In this video, basically I wanted you to understand the spot trading on Binance platform. And if you have any question, please mention it on the comment section and I will reply for those questions on the comment section. And subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because in my future videos I will show you how to do simple technical analysis and how to be a profitable crypto trader. And in future video I will show you my live trades, live future trades and live spot trades, and you can get a good idea from that live trades. Okay, until next time, bye bye.